Raising standards among stakeholders in the hospitality and tourism sector remains a key focus for the Ministry of Tourism. The latest in a series of workshops was held Thursday morning, targeting key players in the accommodation subsector.
More so those from the small property sector, so your villa owners, your guest houses, bed and breakfasts. Why are we doing this? It's because we want to ensure that there's continuity in terms of the standards and quality of the product that is being sold out there, and to also ensure that our stakeholders are up to date, with your new management skills, management techniques, and they understand what it is that they need to move their business successfully forward.
Deepa Jurdari, Senior Tourism Officer, said the workshops will place a strong focus on key areas aimed at building capacity, boosting competitiveness, and improving service quality.
For example, your housekeeping, reservation management, revenue management. How do you analyze your market? How do you go about deciding what profile of visitor you want to have? How do you manage your social media platforms? And we even have your business continuity planning as well in the event of something happening. What do you need to have in place so that you can get yourself up and running in the shortest space of time? And of course, it would not be complete if we did not throw in customer service.
The Ministry of Tourism has deemed these training sessions vital to its broader vision of enhancing St. Lucia's status as a premier travel destination.
Because when we go out there, we market our destination at a particular level. So we have to ensure that what is marketed out there is what the guests will get when they come to St. Lucia, to our shores.
Jidari views these investments in the hospitality workforce as key to fostering professional growth and ensuring a world-class experience for visitors. She notes that participant feedback has been overwhelmingly positive.
Persons need more and more training when it comes to revenue management. How do I price my product versus what is my neighbor selling their product as? How do I analyze the market in order for me to arrive at that price? How do I cost my expenses, match it with my profit margins, etc.? So they found that very, very interesting. So we know, okay, so this is another area that perhaps more training will have to be done in. The housekeeping was another interesting one, and thanks to Bay Gardens, the management of Bay Gardens Beach Resort, we were able to work collaboratively in bringing across, your basic housekeeping techniques that are needed. So when a guest walks into that accommodation, they will get that wow effect.
Organizers are hopeful that upon successful completion of the training, improvements in product and service quality will be evident. Participants are expected to share the knowledge gained with staff and other stakeholders in the accommodation subsector to ensure consistency in service delivery. The workshop series will continue with stakeholders in the sites and attractions niche next.